Everyone. So today I'm here to teach you a tutorial on how to change monitor refresh rate on Windows 11. It's very easy and simple, so follow along with me. Firstly, you need to right click on your mouse and go to the display setting over here. After clicking the display setting, you can see there's a lot of setting here. Scroll down, you'll see an advanced display setting. Click on it. You can see there's a display information. It's about your information on display. Now, right below it, we can see there's a choose a refresh rate. This is the one we need. So right beside it, there is a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu and you can see there's different refresh rate over here. Choose accordingly. As you can see, I've chose 144 Hz, which is the highest one here. So higher the refresh rate, the smoother the motion. It will be smooth, but more power will be taken. While if you choose the lower one, it won't be so smooth, but it can save battery. So I will recommend you to choose according to your graphic card. I hope you like this video. Thank you.